Hello. Right, I've got a Vauxhall Vivaro van 2005. It's not starting. Tells you here. I've already done a scan on it. It broke down, got it to my house. So Tuesday diagnostic check on it and go through and see what's going on with it. So we'll do an auto scan. What we got on the dash is when we ignition's not on. What we got on the dash is the stop light. I say the stop light. Just zoom in. So we've got a stop light. We'll try that again, but this time we'll have the ignition on. Cancel. Exit out of that. Yes. Auto scan. We'll do this again. There's it only goes through 3 modules. There we go. 13 volts there. You can't see. The body control module. There's 2 faults there. So we're going to have a look at these faults. Read cards. Right. These are not present. Accelerator pedal. The input's low. Sensor 1 voltage low. Input. Accelerator pedal low. Range supply. So what we've got present is the glow plugs. Open circuit on the glow plugs. Fuel rail pressure sensor circuit high input. That's present. And when it broke down the first time, this is what I got was present. Fuel pump relay voltage low. I don't know if that was a faulty relay. I changed the relays around and it's not present now, so it must have been a broke relay. So there was 2 relays in the fuse box. I swapped them around, see what happened, and it fired up. But fuel rail pressure performance. Oh, this one, sensor high circuit. This is what we're going to have a look at. I think these low voltages. I think he had a bad battery on this and he replaced it. So this is what I think these are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the cords. CAN bus communication failure. That might be no. So there's something there as well. So I'm going to delete these cords off and yeah, start again fresh. See what comes up. Because like I say, he did have a flat battery. I remember it, and he replaced it. So I'll exit out, and then it should read again. Bring up what faults there are. 2 faults. Glow plugs, open circuit, and fuel rail pressure sensor input high. Right, so this is what we're going to have a look at, and we'll go from there. Right, so I'm going to test the fuel rail pressure sensor, which is down here on the fuel rail, which is this 3-pin plug here. So what we need is a ground, a 5 volt and a signal line. Spreading the terminals apart. 1 point. It's not right. Right, so I'm just going to go to a straight earth just in case. So that'll be the ground wire. Yeah, and there's our 5 volts. And 0. No, 1 point. 150 millivolts. No, that's 0. Right, so we're missing a 5 volt. Oh, see, already. There it is. The broken wire. That's all 3 of them has been joined. Right. God. Right, so that's our issue. There's 2 other ones they've just been taped up. That's broke clean off. You can see that. That's disgusting. Right, so I'm going to have to join them back up. Right, get this out of the way. Who in the right mind does that? Let's get these fixed. Wire's not good, I don't think. Let's have a look. Blade's goosed. I might have to replace this full wire. I don't know how far that goes into the loom. Which shot as well. Yeah. Oh. That's not good, that wire shot. Are you alright? No. Oh God, it's even worse there. That's better. God, that's so bad. Might have to cut into the actual loom itself. And there's two other ones to do as well, by the looks of it. And two have been taped up. So I bet they're not pretty either. Should have to go a little bit further down. I don't really want to start cutting into the loom because there's not much room down here. It's a little bit better, so I'll probably just get that there. I'll go and get some wire. What's that one doing? What's up? It's been hacked this like. Say all the wires are taped up. So that's that done. Let's just these other ones to check now. They're being taped up, so I don't know what condition they're in. Are they just wrapped round or what? Yeah. Oh shit, they are. They're wrapped round. Look. How bad is that? Look.
Oh.
I bet the other one's the same. That's not good. That is no good. That shouldn't be like that. No wonder it broke down. I bet the wire isn't any good either. Let's have a look and see what we've got. Five volts, which we didn't have before, and then 5 volts. So that's it. That's them done. I'll need to tape them up. But for now, I'll just put it back in and see what we've got on the dash. Right, so back into the engine. We'll erase codes, yes. Right, we'll come back out and then see what comes back. One fault. What's the fault? Glow plug circuit open. So that's not my main issue. The main issue was it's starting. That's what my pal needs it for work. So as long as it starts and runs. So moment of truth. I'll cycle the key back on. Let's see if she starts. She starts up, lovely. No lights on the dash. So I believe this one's a fix. So yeah, if you get that, so yeah guys, if we get the code up for the p0193 fuel rail pressure sensor circuit, that's one place to start. Go straight to the sensor and check that you've got a ground, you've got 5 volts on the other 2 wires, so there's 3 wires. So yeah, it's a fix. I'll get my mate to come pick the van up now. Cheers.